Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll learn how to get TopStep promo codes to save money on your purchase. Make sure to watch until the very end. Step 1. Search online. Open your web browser and search for TopStep promo codes. You'll see a list of websites that offer coupon codes. Step 2. Choose a trusted coupon site. Click on a trusted website like Simply Codes, Retail Me Not, or Coupon Follow. These platforms often list the latest and working TopStep promo codes. Step 3. Copy a code. Once you find a code, click the Copy Code button next to the discount offer. This will copy the promo code to your clipboard. Step 4. Use it on TopStep's website. Now go to the TopStep website, add your plan to the cart, and go to checkout. Paste the code into the promo code field and click Apply to get your discount. Tip: look for the best deal. Some sites list multiple promo codes. Try a few to see which one gives you the biggest discount. And that's how you get TopStep promo codes easily and quickly. If this helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.